Alright guys, this is episode 7, Solving Inequalities. Go ahead and set up your paper like you see on the screen here. You want to write model, number line, and then a verbal question and a verbal answer. So kind of take a moment and set up your paper just like that. And we'll go right with the first example. So it says x plus 3 is greater than 5. So we're going to draw this out kind of like we do on the dragon box. Like we did last week. You're going to draw your your box here, like your dragon box. And then we're going to draw 3 positives. So 1, 2, 3 is greater than. So instead of putting an equal sign in the middle, we're going to put a greater than sign in the middle. And then we're going to do 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you all remember, we've been doing this. To give this box by itself, what's the opposite of 3 positives? 3 negatives. So underneath your paper, draw 3 negatives. 1, 2, 3. And then draw 3 negatives over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so your 0 pairs go away. Cross out your 0 pairs. And we're left with what? 2. So my answer would be x is greater than 2. Okay? X is greater than 2. So then we're going to graph that on a number line. So in the number line part, we're going to graph x is greater than 2. So that's what we did today on iExcel. So that means any number bigger than 2. So which way is the arrow going to point? To the left or to the right?
To the right.
To the right. So like 2, 3, 4, 5. So the arrow is going to point this way. And is it going to be open or closed?
Open.
Open, because there's no line underneath it. Okay? So my next part is we're going to write out what this means. So the question we did was x plus 3 is greater than 5. What that means is what number plus 3 is greater than 5? So I'm going to write that out using actual words, all right? So on your paper, write what number plus 3 is greater than 5? And I'm going to put a box around the words what number, because that's what means the X box. The X box basically means what number, the dragon box in the game we've been playing. What number plus 3 is greater than 5? And what we just proved is that there are a lot of numbers that would make it true. Okay? So what we answered here is which numbers are going to be greater than 5 when they add plus 3? Any number that is what? Than 2. Any number that is greater than 2. So that's my answer. My answer is any number greater than 2. Any number greater than 2. Okay? So my question was what number plus 3 is greater than 5? And my answer is any number greater than 2. So I'm going to write that using my algebra symbols. What number plus 3 is greater than 5? And my answer is any number greater than 2. Okay, and then the last part is let's give some examples. What are some numbers that are bigger than 2? 3. So let's write in here. So like for example, 3 plus 3 is greater than 5. Give me another example. Give me a big number. 21. Everyone's favorite number. 21. Like my face is right there. 21. Right? 21 plus 3 is greater than 5. And I'm going to put a box around these numbers because this could be, as long as this number is anything bigger than 2, it'll be true. What if that number was 2? Is 2 plus 3 greater than 5? No, it is 5. So it has to be a number greater than 2. And it can be any number all the way up to a million, billion, trillion, 21 million. It will all be true. Any number greater than 5. Okay? So that's what we're going to be working on tomorrow. We'll be practicing that later on this week. And there's no risk. There's no summary for the video. So just copy down the notes. And we'll see you tomorrow.